everyone, welcome back to Kota Education Career Point. Today we are going to discuss about previous year's entry inspector question paper. Actually this questions is also helpful for different paramedical examinations also. So let's begin with question number 1. Incubation period of influenza range from option 1 is 1 to 2 days, option 2 is 1 to 7 days, option 3 is 4 to 9 days, option 4 is 9 to 15 days. So the correct answer is 1 to 7 days. Question number 2 is breastfeeding is not given when option 1 is mother suffer from chronic illness, option 2 is another pregnancy intervenes during lactation, option 3 is breast milk has completely stopped or is insufficient to the child, option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 3 is a substance needed by the body for growth, energy and repair and maintenance is called option 1 protein, option 2 vitamin, option 3 carbohydrate, option 4 fat. So the correct answer is protein. Question number 4 is ideal body weight of an Indian reference man and woman respectively are option 1 70 kg to 60 kg, option 2 60 kg to 55 kg, option 3 50 kg to 45 kg, option 4 is 45 kg to 40 kg. So the correct answer is 60 kg to 55 kg. Question number 5 is life cycle of RBCs is of option 1 is 90 days, option 2 110 days, option 3 120 days, option 4 is 135 days. So the correct answer is 120 days. Question number 6 is maternal mortality rate is expressed as option 1 is number of pregnant women dying per 100 of pregnancies, option 2 number of pregnant women dying per 1000 of pregnancies, option 3 number of pregnant women dying per 10,000 of pregnancies, option 4 is number of pregnant women dying per 1 lakh of pregnancies. So the correct answer is number of pregnant women dying per 1 lakh of pregnancies. Question number 7 is in a balanced diet the percentage of total calories obtained from carbohydrate should be between option 1 is 40 to 50%, option 2 60 to 70%, option 3 is 80 to 90%, option 4 is 90 to 100%. So the correct answer is 60 to 70%. Question number 8 is International Women's Day is celebrated on option 1 6th of March, option 2 8th of March, option 3 10th of March, option 4th is 15th of March. So the correct answer is 8th of March. Question number 9 is what diseases are regularly tested for given during a normal pregnancy? Option 1 is AIDS, option 2 hepatitis B, option 3 is Down syndrome, option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 10 is according to ICMR 2010 additional protein required for an expected mother is option 1 is 10.5 g, option 2 is 15.25 g, option 3 is 20.4 g, option 4 is 27.2 g. So the correct answer is 27.2 g. Question number 11 is which of the following decreased in human body during dengue fever? Option 1 is platelets, option 2 is hemoglobin, option 3 RBC, option 4 sugar. So the correct answer is platelets. Question number 12 is objective of National Rural Health Mission is to provide. Option 1 is to provide quality health care to a rural population. Option 2 is to provide affordable health care to the rural population. Option 3 is to provide healthcare facility to the especially the vulnerable groups. Option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 13 is diarrheal diseases, measles and respiratory and other infections result in option 1 positive protein and energy balance, option 2 is negative protein and energy balance, option 3 equal protein and energy balance, option 4 is none of the above. So the correct answer is negative protein and energy balance. Question number 14 is which among the following is not a bacterial disease? Option 1 diphtheria, option 2 AIDS, option 3 whooping cough, option 4 cholera. So the correct answer is AIDS. Question number 15 is nutritional anemia prophylaxis program launched by the government of India in the year? Option 1 is 1970, option 2 1972, option 3 1980, option 4 is 1982. So the correct answer is 1970. Question number 16 is many women have some nausea or vomiting or morning sickness, particularly during option 1 is the first month of pregnancy, option 2 1 to 3 months of pregnancy, option 3 is 4 to 6 months of pregnancy, option 4 is the 6 to 9 months of pregnancy. So the correct answer is 1 to 3 months of the pregnancy. Question number 70 is according to ICMR 2010 amount of kcal required by children 1 to 3 year age group per day is option 1 is 2100 kcal, option 2 1800 kcal, option 3 1690 kcal, option 4 is 1060 kcal. So the correct answer is 1060 kcal. Question number 18 is tuberculosis is an infectious disease caused by the bacterium. Option 1 is Mycobacterium tuberculosis, option 2 is Mycobacterium merriam, option 3 is Mycobacterium fortuum, option 4 is Mycobacterium chelonis. So the correct answer is Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Question number 19 is triple antigen vaccine is given to the infant for the prevention of option 1 is polio, diphtheria and tetanus, option 2 is diphtheria, whooping cough and tetanus, option 3 is tetanus, tuberculosis and polio, option 4 is diphtheria, typhoid and tetanus. So the correct answer is diphtheria, whooping cough and tetanus. Question number 20 is waist to hip ratio is an indicator of option 1 is pellagra, option 2 obesity, option 3 nail growth, option 4 visibility. So the correct answer is obesity. Question number 21 is which of the following cannot be included in the diet of pregnant woman? Option 1 fruit and vegetables, option 2 milk and milk products, option 3 is alcohol and smoking, and option 4 is cereals and pulses. So the correct answer is alcohol and smoking. Question number 22 is the 5 food group system can be used by the health professionals for the following purpose. Option 1 tools for nutritional counseling, option 2 food labeling and surveillance system, option 3 explaining therapeutic diet to the patient, option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 23 is which of the following is an essential amino acid? Option 1 is alanine, option 2 is aspartic acid, option 3 is glutamic acid, option 4 is lysine. So the correct answer is lysine. Question number 24 is which of the following is responsible for measles? Option 1 bacteria, option 2 virus, option 3 algae, option 4 fungi. So the correct answer is virus. Question number 25 is which of the following vitamin can be synthesizing in the body? Option 1 is vitamin A, option 2 vitamin C, option 3 vitamin D, option 4 is vitamin E. So the correct answer is vitamin D. Question number 26 PEM in pregnant and lactating women can affect the option 1 is growth and fetus, option 2 nutritional status of fetus, option 3 survival rate of the fetus, option 4 is all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. Question number 27 is poorly controlled diabetes during pregnancy increase the risk of option 1 is preeclampsia, option 2 is early delivery, option 3 is cesarean birth, option 4 all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 28 is sign of infection of the umbilical cord includes option 1 is base appears red and swollen, option 2 is continue to bleed, option 3 oozes yellowish or white pus, option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 29 is the Kala Azar control program was launched in year. Option 1 is 1980-81, option 2 is 1990-91, option 3 is 2000 to 2001, option 4 is 2006 to 2011. So the correct answer is 1990 to 91. Question number 30 is which deficiency disease has been called the disease of the 3D? Option 1 is scurvy, option 2 beriberi, option 3 pellagra, option D rickets. So the correct answer is pellagra. Question number 31 is protein deficiency may cause option 1 cough, option 2 burn, option 3 muscle wasting, option 4 is irritation. The correct answer is muscle wasting. Question number 32 is the appropriate age range to conceive without risk of undesirable outcome is Option was 17 to 13, option 2 20 to 35, option 3 25 to 40, option 4 is 25 to 50. The correct answer is 20 to 35. Question number 33 is, in a child suffering from marasmus, which of the following clinical manifestation of in observed? Option 1 is subnormal temperature, option 2 dehydration, option 3 is watery diarrhea, option 4 all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Question number 34 is, the first dose of vitamin A administered at 9 months of age along with measles vaccine is, option 1 is 1 lakh IU, option 2 1000 IU, option 3 is 2 lakhs IU, option 4 is 30,000 IU. So the correct answer is option 1, that is 1 lakh IU. Question number 35 is, the process by which an individual's immune system becomes fortified against an infection is known as, option 1 is nutrition, option 2 immunization, option 3 inoculation, option 4 is malnutrition. The correct answer is immunization. Question number 36 is, revised nutritional norms in ICDS. The energy and protein should be given to pregnant women and lactating mothers are, option 1 is energy 200 kcal and protein 10 to 12 gram. Option 2 is energy 400 kcal and protein 10 to 12 gram. Option 3 is energy 600 kcal and protein 18 to 20 gram. Option 4 is energy 90 kcal and protein is 20 to 25 gram. So the correct answer is energy 600 kcal and protein 18 to 20 gram. Question number 37 is, which among the following is full form of BCG? Option 1 is Bacillus Clostridium gonadism. Option 2 is bacteria cholera urine. Option 3 Bacillus chlamydia urine. Option 4 is bacteria chlamydia gonadism. So the correct answer is Bacillus chlamydia urine. Question number 38 is, disease protected by vaccine under universal immunization program is R. Option 1 is diphtheria, option 2 polio, option 3 tuberculosis, option 4 all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 39 is, at the national level, the NHRM has a mission steering group headed by the, option 1 is Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, option 2 Union Secretary of Health and Family Welfare, option 3 both of the above. Option 4 is none of the above. So the correct answer, Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Question number 40 is, dash plays an important role in deciding nutritional status. Option 1 is social economic status, option 2 beauty, option 3 clothes, option 4 is sleeping pattern. So the correct answer is social economic status. Question number 41 is, which of the following adverse effect associated with fetus when mother used drugs during pregnancy? Option 1 is preterm birth, option 2 undersized head and body, option 3 physical malformation, option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 42 is, kwashiorkor is caused due to deficiency of, option 1 is protein energy, option 2 calcium, option 3 iron and option 4 is thiamine. So the correct answer is protein energy. Question number 43 is, the National Rural Health Mission was launched by the Honorable Prime Minister on, option 1 is 12th April 2005, option 2 14th April 2005, option 3 12th April 2006, option 4 is 14th April 2006. So the correct answer is 12th April 2005. Question number 44 is, ICDS comprises, option 1 is Anganwadi workers, helpers and supervisor, option 2 child development project officers, option C is district program officer, option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 45 is, each gram of hemoglobin contains about, option 1 is 6.34 mg of iron, option 2 4.25 mg of iron, option 3 3.34 mg of iron, option 4 is 2.24 mg of iron. So the correct answer is 3.34 mg of iron. Question number 46 is, the ideal body weight of a full term infant at the time of birth should be, option 1 is 2.2 kg, option 2 is 3.2 kg, option 3 is 4.2 kg and option 4 is 5.2 kg. So the correct answer is 3.2 kg. Question number 47 is the major nutritional deficiency sign among preschool children is option 1 protein energy malnutrition, option 2 is vitamin A deficiency, option 3 vitamin B complex, option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 48 is booster dose of which vaccine is given orally? Option 1 hepatitis B, option 2 DPT, option 3 tetanus, option 4 polio. So the correct answer is polio. Question number 49 is which program is not covered under ICDS scheme? Option 1 is supplementary nutrition, option 2 preschool non-formal education, option 3 nutrition and health education, option 4 World Health Organization. So the correct answer is World Health Organization. Question number 50 is protein rich source of vitamin D is option 1 is liver, cod liver oil, option 2 is cabbage, option 3 cereals, option 4 pulses. So the correct answer is cod liver oil. Question number 51 is pneumonia is usually caused by the infection of option 1 is virus, option 2 bacteria, option 3 both of the above, option 4 none of the above. So the correct answer is both of the above. Question number 52 is which of the following is not transmitted by mosquitoes? Option 1 filaria, option 2 Japanese encephalitis, option 3 malaria, option 4 is Kala-Azar. So the correct answer is Kala-Azar. Question number 53 is a mineral that the body needed for proper growth and development of bone is option 1 sodium, option 2 potassium, option 3 iron and option 4 is calcium. So the correct answer is calcium. Question number 54 is which of the following is disaccharide? Option 1 is lactose, option 2 glucose, option 3 is galactose and option 4 is fructose. So the correct answer is option 1 is lactose. Question number 55 is diet of PEM child should be contains. Option 1 is high calorie, option 2 high protein, option 3 both of the above and option 4 is low protein. So the correct answer is both of the above. So that's it for today guys. I hope you like this session. If you like this session, please like, share, subscribe this channel and thank you so much.